In this problem, a coin is tossed 8 times and we have to find how many ways we can obtain 4 heads and 4 tails. So if I want to find the permutation of tossing a coin 8 times, I will write it as equal to 8 factorial. But since 4 heads and 4 tails are identical, so we will divide it with 4 factorial, multiply with 4 factorial. Now if you can see the second question, here we want at least 6 heads, which means that I will get 6 head, then we will get 7 head, and then we will get 8 heads. And we will do since all are identical, like we will take 6 factorial, 7 factorial and 8 factorial. Since the coin is tossed 8 times, so we will write 8 factorial, 8 factorial and 8 factorial. And now if you can observe how many times the tail will toss, so we will say if we are getting 6 times, that is head, so we will get 2 times, that is tail. Similarly, if I'm getting 7 times, that is head, we will get 1 times, that is tail. If I'm getting 8 times, that is head, we will get 0 times, that is tail. So we will write it like this and we can solve it like this. Let's solve it further. You will write 8 multiply with 7, and here you will write 7 divided with 8, and here you will write 1. This value will become 1, this value will become 8. If you will divide this one, you will get the value as 7 4 are 28. You will get 28 plus 8, that is equal to 36. 36 plus 1, that is equal to 37. Now if you are solving the previous question, you will write it as equal to 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, and 3 2s are 6 can cancel, 2 2s are 4 will cancel, 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So 70 cases that you will find if we are having 4 heads and 4 tails, and 37 cases that you will find whenever we have to find at least 6 heads.